Exactly are semitones and tones. Semitones are the smallest distance between two notes, while tones are twice the distance of a semitone. In other words, a tone is made up of two semitones. Now let's apply this to the keyboard. On a standard piano or keyboard, each key represents a semitone. If you were to start at note C and move up one key, you would then be playing the note C sharp or D flat. They are enharmonically equivalent. If you were to move up two keys, you would be playing the note D. This is a tone since it consists of two semitones. Starting with note C, play the notes C sharp, D, D sharp, E, and F. Now play the notes C, D, E. You should hear that each note is a tone higher than the previous note. It's important to be aware that there are two sets of notes side by side that don't feature sharp or flats. That being the notes B to C and E to F. These are much easier to visualize with a piano or keyboard as they don't feature a black key in between. I recommend you focus on remembering these notes sooner rather than later, especially when we look at major and minor scales in future tutorials.